How would you feel if you landed in a new country, opened your bag, and realized something important was gone: your cash, your passport backup, maybe even your valuables? No warning, no noise, just gone. It happens way more than you think. And here's the scary part: airport. Thieves already know exactly which bags to target, and chances are, yours might be one of them. Stick with me, because what I'm about to reveal could literally save you from becoming their next victim. And trust me, by the end of this, you're going to look at your luggage in a completely different way. So picture this: you're walking through the airport, maybe tired, maybe distracted, maybe scrolling your phone, thinking you're safe because, hey, it's an airport, right? Cameras everywhere, security everywhere, people everywhere. What could possibly go wrong? That's exactly what they want you to think. See, professional airport thieves don't look like criminals. They look like regular travelers, business people, even families sometimes. And while you're focused on your boarding pass or your next gate, they're focused on one thing: only your bag. And not just any bag. Specific bags, the kind that scream easy target. And the first mistake people make? Using expensive-looking luggage. Yeah, I know it looks clean, stylish, maybe even luxury brand, but to a thief, that's basically a billboard saying, hey, there's something valuable inside me. Bags from premium brands instantly attract attention because thieves assume right or wrong that if you spent big on the outside, there's probably something worth taking on the inside. And here's the twist: it's not always about what's actually inside. It's about what your bag signals. Airports are like hunting grounds, and thieves profile visually in seconds. Bright colors, designer logos, perfectly clean hard-shell suitcases. They stand out, and standing out is the last thing you want in a place like that. Now let me hit you with something that might surprise you. Even brand new bags can be a red flag. Yup, a spotless, untouched suitcase tells thieves one thing: inexperienced traveler. And inexperienced usually means careless. Maybe you haven't learned the tricks yet. Maybe you're not watching your bag closely. Maybe you don't even realize how fast something can disappear. And they love that. But wait, it gets worse. One of the most targeted items isn't even your main luggage. It's your carry-on, especially backpacks. Why? Because people treat them casually. You put them under the seat, on the overhead bin, next to you at a cafe, and for a few seconds, maybe minutes, your attention slips. That's all it takes. A quick unzip, a smooth hand, and boom, wallet gone. Phone gone. Even documents gone, and you won't notice until it's too late. And here's something most people never think about: thieves don't usually steal the whole bag. Nope, that would be too obvious. Instead, they go for silent theft. They take one or two valuable items, zip it back up, and walk away like nothing happened. You continue your journey thinking everything's fine, until hours later. Now let me ask you something: when was the last time you actually checked your bag during your journey? Not at home, not at the hotel, but mid-transit. Exactly, almost nobody does. And that's exactly why this works. Now here's another big mistake: using unlocked zippers. I don't care if you think, oh, it's just a short flight, or I'll keep an eye on it. Reality check: you can't watch your bag 100% of the time. And modern thieves, they don't even need to open your zipper the normal way. Some of them use a simple pen trick, a pen to slide through the zipper. Grab what they want and close it back like nothing ever happened. No broken locks, no visible damage, no suspicion. Just clean, silent theft. Crazy, right? But that's not even the smartest trick they use. One of the most shocking tactics is distraction. Let's say someone bumps into you, drops something, asks for help, or starts a conversation. Feels random, maybe even harmless. But while your attention is split, someone else is already making their move on your bag. It's coordinated, quick, and almost impossible to notice in the moment. And the worst part? Victims often blame themselves later because they didn't even realize what happened. Now listen carefully. This next part could change how you travel forever. The safest looking spots are often the most dangerous. Overhead bins, easy access for anyone walking by. Under the seat, out of sight, out of mind. Luggage carts, perfect for quick snatches. Even airport security lines. Yeah, the place you trust the most can be risky because your items are literally out of your control for a few seconds. And thieves know exactly when that moment happens. So, what can you actually do to protect yourself without turning your travel into a stressful mess? First, blend in. I know it sounds boring, but boring is safe. Use a simple, maybe slightly worn bag that doesn't attract attention. Something that looks average. Not flashy, not brand new, not expensive. Second dad, a small but strong lock. It's not about being unbreakable, it's about being inconvenient. Thieves want easy targets, not challenges. If your bag looks even slightly harder to access than the one next to it, they'll move on. Third, keep your valuables where you can feel them. Not just close, but physically connected to you. Inner pockets, money belts, anti-theft backpacks. These small changes make a huge difference. And here's a pro tip. Most travelers ignore split your valuables. Never keep everything in one place. If something does get taken, you're not completely stuck. Now let me tell you a quick story that'll hit this home. A travel gist, like you thought, they were being careful. Nice airport, daytime flight, everything seemed normal. They kept their backpack under the seat, felt safe, even checked it once or twice. But when they landed, their tablet and cash were gone. No broken zipper, no suspicious moment, nothing, just gone. And the worst part, they had no idea when it happened. That's the reality of airport theft: quiet, invisible, and fast. And if you think this won't happen to me, that's exactly the mindset that makes people easy targets. So here's the deal: travel smart, stay aware, and never assume you're 100% safe just because you're in an airport. Because the truth is, the busiest places are often the easiest places for things to disappear. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced something like this while traveling, or seen something suspicious at an airport? Drop it in the comments, because your story might actually help someone avoid a huge mistake. And if you found this useful, even a little bit, hit that share button and send it to someone who's traveling soon. You might just save them from a nightmare situation. And remember, it's not about being scared, it's about being smart. Stay sharp, travel safe, and I'll see you in the next one.